Unit 2.1 Energy around us. Words to learn. Energy, the capacity for doing work, predict, say or estimate that a specific thing will happen in the future or will be a consequence of something. Energy is all around us. Energy is everywhere around us. Living things have energy. We get our energy from the food we eat. We use this energy to move, grow, breathe, and carry out all our other life processes. Non-living things also have energy. For example, there is energy in moving air that makes the windmills turn. There is also energy in light, heat, and sound. Light, heat, and sound are forms of energy. Movement is also a form of energy. Look at the picture. Where is the energy in each picture? The first one is wind energy. The second one is heat energy. The third is solar energy. The fourth one is kinetic energy. And the last one is chemical energy. What is energy? We know that everything has energy. We can't always see energy, but we can observe the things that energy does. Energy makes things move. All moving things change. For example, a moving ball can break a window. We can think of energy as anything that can cause movement or carry out an action. We need energy for everything we do.